Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com and today I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a contact from your messenger application. Basically, I have already a video on this topic, but I thought I should update this video and demo this in the latest messenger application as of now. So now let's get started. So the first thing you wanna do, as always, I'm suggesting you guys to update your messenger application to its latest version. Then you can follow these steps because I'm demonstrating this in the latest app, so that way you won't face any troubles while following the steps. Also, Facebook has introduced the new room features in their app. Check that out in the iCard above. Now, to remove or delete a contact or your latest messenger application, simply open it up and go to the people option. Go to contacts, and here are all the contacts list. Now keep in mind that you cannot remove a friend from Facebook in your messenger application. As you can see, this is one of my friends on Facebook and I cannot remove it on my messenger application. I will need to remove this contact or block this contact on Facebook application, not in the messenger application. So I hope you are getting my point. You can block this person on the messenger app too, but this will block him on Facebook application as well. Now, simply to remove a contact or messenger contact from your list, you will need to find that contact first, and as you can see, this is different from your Facebook friends, and I can see the remove contact option now. As I mentioned earlier, you can only remove non-messenger friends from your contacts list. Simply hit the remove contact option. Remove contact. You won't be able to text this person on messenger. To confirm, hit the remove option, deleting contact, and you are good to go. You have successfully deleted a contact on your messenger application. Note now, there are lots of users who are commenting for how they can stop syncing their contacts on their messenger application. Actually, they wanna stop contact syncs on their messenger app. So you can do that by simply get into the profile section and go to the pupil option, and here, as you can see, the upload contacts option. You will need to turn this option off. As you can see, I have already did it. So that's how you can stop contact syncing on your messenger application, to stop phone contacts to be synced in your messenger app. So that was it for today, guys. I have just told you that how you can remove a contact from your messenger application. Alternatively, you can block a person to remove that person from your messenger list, from your messenger contacts list, because blocking is also an alternative option if you don't see the remove contact option, as I have mentioned before. So that was it for today, guys. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.